Hi, Gretchen here from the Killingly Public Library. I have a fun and easy project for you to try. We're going to grow scallions and celery from the leftover parts. This will appeal to all the frugal chefs out there. What we're going to do is going to put it in water to start, and then we're going to end up in soil. What you'll need is a container to hold the water. Here's a couple examples. Some water, optional toothpicks. You'll need a knife to cut off your bottoms, some potting soil, and pots. Let's start with the celery. I cut off about 1.5 inches. It's not really necessary to measure it or anything, just as long as you have a nice little nubbin to work with. Then we're going to put it into water. Any container you have that'll hold water will be fine. I like to use ones that are kind of heavy and solid in case you have a cat in your house or a little kid. It's hard to knock over. This one here, if I put this in here, it's just going to drop to the bottom. So I'm going to use the toothpicks to suspend it. So I'll just jam it in the side, put a few in there, maybe 3 or 4. I only have 3 today. And there it goes. Add your water so it covers the bottom of your celery. And put that in your sunny window. It'll take maybe a week. You should see some growth coming up out of the center pretty quickly. Make sure there's water in there every day. If the water gets a little iffy looking, you can give fresh water, just put out the old water. Turn it around maybe so it gets sun on all the sides. So, into the sunny window. Here's one that I started a couple weeks ago. You can see nice new growth. I could have planted it a little earlier. It's starting to decay, but that won't matter. There's some little roots coming out of the bottom. Get a nice pot. Put in your potting soil. Then we're gonna put this in there, and just put the potting soil so that it comes up to the top of the part that you cut off. Kind of pat it down a little bit. That's what it looks like. Put it into the windowsill, keep it moist, and it should shoot up some nice stalks. Once the weather gets better, you can put this outside. Next come the scallions. Start off the same, just cut off the bottoms, maybe 1 inch, just the white parts. Then we're going to put them into a container that will hold water. Put the little roots down. I don't know if I can fit them all in. Add the water. Don't cover the tops, just the bottom part and the roots. Into the sunny windowsill. This will take only like a day or 2 and you'll see growth. It's really quick. Here's one that I started a few days ago. Same thing, into the pot. You want to cover up most of the white part. Kind of spread them out, give them a little room. These will keep growing indefinitely. Okay, we should give it a little water. Into the sunny windowsill again. And here's one that I did a couple of weeks ago. You can see how big it's gotten. And I can see that it needs to be harvested. So when I harvest, I'm going to go way down just to where it comes out of the bottom. Let's take this one too. And it should send up new shoots. Once it gets nice outside, this can go outside too. I hope you had fun. I'm going to show you what we might do the next time. We'll build a terrarium. Bye-bye.